teach a class or share facilitate, right? Nobody can teach anybody. And it's 26 weeks, and one of the things that they do is this week is an exercise is for them to go out and identify kindness everywhere and everyone and everything. And then they record it in the members area. I saw a woman open a door. My son gave me a hug, whatever, just to become aware of kindness. And if they get to 4,000 or more, which you did, then you get 5,000, then we go out and hug one person for a remember and share the love. And that's all it's for.
I like it.
Yeah, I don't have any pamphlet about, you know, how we're going to say it. It's just, we're honoring them.
Hey, one smile at a time.
One
That's
smile
awesome.
at a time.
It's contagious,
That's it,
I tell you.
I love your event.
You need a hug, your mom needs a hug, and your dad needs a hug. Your brother needs a hug, and your sister needs a hug, and everybody needs a hug. Like,
I need a hug, give me a hug,
you call us up just to see how we were doing. You call us up cause you're one amazing woman. You showed us love, always so sincere. You showed us love and it lives right here. I need a hug, you need a hug, your mom needs a hug, so I gave her one. Your brother needs a hug, and your sister needs a hug, and everybody needs a hug right now. En español, necesito hug, necesitas hug. Tu madre needs a hug, tu padre needs a hug. Nosotros necesitamos los ojos. Ellos necesitan los ojos. We had you as a friend and feel so truly blessed. To have you as a friend was like totally the best. I wrote this song right when I was feeling blue. I need a hug and I'm wanting one from you. I need a hug, you need a hug, your mom needs a hug, and your dad needs a hug. Your brother needs a hug, and your sister needs a hug, and everybody needs a hug. Like,
I need a hug, give me a hug,
yeah, yo, alright everybody, here's how we're gonna do it. You're gonna take your one hand, and you're gonna put it around the back, and you're gonna take your other hand, put it around the head, and you're gonna pull that person towards you, and you're gonna show us some love.
I need a hug, give me a hug, I need a hug, give me a hug,
Hey, let's go, my catching partner, my mentor.
That's right.
Hey, and the star of the team. Look at, now he's afraid because of the shirt.
Yeah, exactly. I don't want to get near
But
him.
I'm showing the look. And here we got Cal Peck, a professor.
That's Rockstar.
Hey, thanks,
Rockstar.
man. Goldberg.
Goldie.
Nothing but junk. Beautiful.
Right, Jason.
All right, peace be the journey.
Yeah, Jason.
Hey, handball. Sorry last night. Thank you.
Doctors have come from distant cities just to see me. Stand up,
Hugging my
stand
bride,
up in my bed.
okay? And one more hug to end the day, and that's a hug for the members.
What do you think about a kiss?
I can't help it. I'm Italian. Forget about it. You can't hug without kissing. It's just the way it is. You guys did a great job. I hope you caught the energy in the mastermind. We love you. Stay with kindness all the way through the course. Peace.
Aloha.